going to talk to you about learning target number three or standard number three. This learning target centers around the logistics and calculating grades and developing a rationale for standards based grading. And like previous learning targets, we start at level two. And at level two is primarily just figuring out how do you calculate a grade in a traditional school if you're using standards based grading. The exercises and take a look at our resources for level two. You'll move on to the similar activities and for level three. Level three primarily focuses on some of the system wide stuff. So that's when we start looking at issues like retakes and other policies that you may need to have to support a standards based grading course. Also, on level three, we start looking at some tracking systems and grade books. Then we move up to level four, where we start thinking about how to communicate our rationale to different constituents in our community. And that leads us to our deliverable for this learning target. And this is a very flexible deliverable, and it can be done at level three or level four. And there's some flexibility depending on if you're a teacher or administrator. The premise is that you are going to communicate your policies, for example, your grading policies, perhaps retake policies, any kind of policies in your course. If you're a teacher or an administrator, you might develop a document in which you are outlining options for teachers in order to do standards based grading. And that is learning target number three.